So actually, therapy, it really works great when we talk about the relationship issues, because we need to understand in a relationship there are two people. It can be husband wife, it can be two friends, it can be live-in partners. And also we need to understand, we come from different family dynamics, we have different thought process, different understanding, right? And it's not necessary that what is my thinking, it should, or my thought process, it's going to align with you, right? It's not 100 compatible. So when we talk about the relationship issues, we need, we help the client to understand, different attachment styles, boundary settings, different communication styles. Because while when we are like born, and after that the conditioning what we get from our family, that plays a crucial role in our life. Like I always say, and it is like in psychology we always say that you are like what is like 80% the genes what you have inherited from your parents, from your grandparents, from your forefathers, and 20% is the environment what make you as a person. So the environmental effect, you're living in your family for 25 years, then you get into this relationship wherein you find relationship challenges. It's like because of the different understanding, different thought process, different conditioning we come from, it becomes difficult. So through relationship, we can understand in like in therapy, it provides a bigger space to set boundaries, to work on the emotions, and also on the conflicts, and also conflict resolution, how to give space, develop through like that understanding, that respect for each other, that bond, because many times our mental state is like we are not that open. So when we are together with when two people they are coming together, they need to understand out of the parameter of 10, 0 to 10, where we are matching. See, it's okay if you're aligning at the point of 5 or 6, and 4 things you're doing different as a couple, that's absolutely okay. You need to respect that. And the conflict happens because you are not even letting that person to practice that 4 things or 4 points what he wants to do by himself. We want to control our partners and change them. So what we need to do over here in a relationship, we need to be open about it. We need to accept the person as it is, rather than focusing on entirely changing them. So therapy does play an important role when relationship challenges. I always tell to my client, no one is perfect and no relationship is perfect. We have to work on all these issues each and every day to make it beautiful rather than perfect. You should be happy in a relationship than being perfect.